I did forget to press the record button for this bit, but I want to say thank you to Mower Part Sales for the great service they've given us doing this deck repairs, the ride-on one. It's I'm not affiliated to the company. This has all been paid for out of my own pocket. I've just used this company to supply me the parts I needed, and I highly recommend them. They're fast on delivery and they're so great to get on with. And I think you call the lad I've been dealing with Paul, and there's been no problems at all. Fast delivery, good service. Thank you. Welcome back to part 2 of the grass cutting deck. I've just come along to sort out getting some parts. I need all the parts. I'll show you the boss. Took the lugs off. Lucky enough, I think that's the only damage. Everything else you can hear rattling, it's just the belt rubbing. So I've been in my stores. I've got 2 deck lifting cables, and also the 2 blades which I got off the little garden tractor deck because it's rotten, and also it's got a boss, but it's still on the shaft, so I don't need to order them bits. So that's the boss off now. Done it off camera. Yep, it's just round the little lugs off. Like I say, I've got one on the shaft here. I've got oiled, trying to get it off. Come back to you when it's done. So as you can see, I've got the old boss off, the old shaft off me spares. That come off not too bad, and I've got it now onto the mower. So I'm doing prep work. I'm waiting for a belt and the pulley coming. I've checked the height. Wires, and they're not frayed. They've got a plastic coating on them. I thought it was the wire itself, but it's not. It's a lot easier now. Back, front, on the front, back, everywhere is just as easy. So that's what I'm just going through. I've done this side, got them done, got that all done. I'm going to take the 2 nuts off. So I hope everybody's doing all right today. my nuts back on so I don't lose them. I'll take this one and give it a rub down. Put a bit cleaner on. That's the wrong nut. Hopefully that'll make my lubricate my nuts enough to make them slide better. So I've got this other one now to do. Move you around a bit. Enjoy that dance. I must remember I won't wear gloves when I put the belt on, because you don't want to get grease or anything on your hands on the belt or you'll slip. Now the other bit for this is still on the mower deck. So I've got them done. I've got that one to do. That just needs a good clean, and once I get a bit lubrication in it, it'll slide in and out. There we go. It wasn't doing that before, so that's that stuff. Oh no. Not majority of the stuff back on at this now, it's all been done. Yeah, so guys, I've got everything oiled, greased up, and all the bolts underneath. As I said, I've got a new belt. It's to go on. I've sharpened one of the blades up. Which I think that's about that's yeah, that's about level, I think. Yeah, I think that's good. This was bought for us from a friend of mine on YouTube, subscriber. Mr. Taylor, John Taylor. He lives just down the road from us. just down the road. I wouldn't need to walk there. But I'm going to put this one back on, and I'll take the other one off. I'll sharpen that up, and I'll come back to use, because you've seen loads of people sharpening blades. I'll catch you up in a minute. Okay then, update on the ride-on mower. It's I've got the belt, as I said earlier. I've got the bosses changed. I was trying to put it back together the other day, but I couldn't get the blades inside the cutter. They were too low down, just the one of them. So I've just come back. I sharpened them up myself. I've balanced them.
Houston, we have a problem.
What's happened is it's bent here. This is bent. We've tried to heat it and straighten in a big vise, but you can't get it. As I look along here, it just won't level. He says the blade once turned, don't mind my hand actions, but it needs twisted round, which it's not worth doing that, because the other blade's the same. I took that down as well with us. I don't know where I've put it, but it's the same. It's bent in the middle and they've been twisted, but the one I twisted, fair enough, but the other one, I reckon, has been like that for a while. So I've had to bite the bullet and buy 2 new blades for it, which will be here Thursday or Friday. But that's, at the present moment, this is what's going off with the ride-on mower. And I've had to get a new pulley for there. Fingers crossed, once I get it done, it'll be all up and running again.
Day 2.
So I've got the new blades on. Did them off camera. That's the new blades fitted. So I'm going to get everything tidied up a bit and I'm going to get this lifted into place. Okay, I've got the deck put back on. It's not tightened up, but I'm just going to show you how I did it, for anybody that ever wants to do one of these. Right, step 1, what I did, I took off the pulley, placed the belt on. I had to take this one off as well to get the belt into there. I slid the deck into place. I fed the belt onto the big pulley on the bottom. Can you see that? Yeah. Once the belt was on, the step 2 was I refitted the bars onto the deck. That one, and as you can see, is that one, and also same on the other side. Step 3 was I put the height cables on both sides, and step 4 I put the brake cable in the back and screwed it on. As you can see, it's all in there now. It's all loose, mind. It's not set because I have to put the chute on next. Now I've got the chute on. Now I know I put them bars on first. I would suggest I should have put the back chute on first and worked on that way. But it's on. It's been a lot easier. I mean, we're putting the lubricant onto the bolts and screws, and yeah, it's come out well. Okay, so I've got the bolts in. I've got all these in. I'm busy adjusting at the moment. So what I've got is I've got a block, little block in the front, 26mm, and I've got a block in the back of 32mm, and you level it off so your deck just sits on them blocks. I'll next time you'll probably see it, it'll be up and running. So we'll call that the end of this video. I hope you do like it, and if you don't mind, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the little bell so you get the reminders of my videos when I put them out. Also, I have got an Amazon wish list, which I'm going to have a look at because I'm getting short of materials and blue paper and stuff like that, spark plugs. But you could always just have a look through the Amazon wish list. And, you know, it'd be nice to see something that's doorstep. You know, us retired real women. It's you know, it's good. But anyway, I want to thank you if you've sat right through to the end of this. Thank you very much. And I will catch you on the next one.